In this video, you'll learn how to use Google Calendar as an alternative to Calendly. This guide will demonstrate how to create a booking page, set your availability, and share your booking link with others. Begin by navigating to Google Calendar in your web browser. Ensure that you are logged into your Google account to access all features. If you are not logged in, you will be prompted to enter your credentials before proceeding. Next, locate and click the Create button situated at the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this list, select Appointment Schedule. It is important to choose Appointment Schedule rather than Event to utilize the booking functionalities. Once you have selected Appointment Schedule, you will need to set your availability. Fill in the required fields, starting with the title, such as Meeting with Jose. Then choose the duration for your appointments, which can be set to 15, 30, or 60 minutes. After that, specify the available days and times for your meetings, ensuring to select the correct time zone. Optionally, you can also set a buffer time if you would like to have a break between appointments. When you have completed this, click Next to continue. The next step involves adding your booking settings. You can choose from several options, including having a Google Meet link automatically created for each appointment, offering a phone call option, or selecting an in-person meeting. Additionally, you can include booking form questions to gather relevant information, such as the name, email address, and any notes from the participant. Fill out these settings according to your preferences. After you've configured your booking settings, save your appointment schedule. To retrieve your booking link, click on your appointment schedule on the calendar view, then click the share option that appears. You will see a link generated for your booking page. Copy this link, which will resemble, quote, calendar.google.com/appointment/your-link. This process functions very similarly to Calendly, allowing you to manage your appointments efficiently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.